Hey people, so I'm at this place called Tonique. This seems to be like some sort of liquor shop. Take a look at it. It's like it's one of the most this is a landmark in Hyderabad. Like there's a big store. See, that's what it is, Tonique. So it seems quite interesting. This is the first time I'm coming here, and for someone who's fond of drink, I think for them it will be like heaven. But it's pretty. I don't know what to say. This is the first time I've ever stepped into a place like this, and I'll take you all upstairs also. But this is how it looks. Tonique, I believe. Interesting place. ऊपर भी जा सकते हैं. See, I'll climb a whole flight of stairs. Oh, see, this is how it looks upstairs also. I don't know. I'm not so keen to go right upstairs. I don't know. I've never been at a liquor shop, so this is how it looks.